Hello, AIMC on the scene, your social connector live, Camden, Maine. We are going to kick off a walking tour of Camden. This is Camden Falls right here. And we're moving along to Camden Harbor. It's a little foggy morning, but it feels nice and cool here in the morning. So let's kick off our walking tour. Hopefully keep this camera nice and steady here. Just gonna get ourselves over, get it home. Camden is on the mid-coast of Maine, probably about a couple hours north of Portland and a couple hours south of Bar Harbor, which is where Cadillac Mountain is, the highest point on the East Coast. And we're just starting off our little walk here through the park, but we'll be downtown very soon. All right, there we go. And once we get to the end of this, we'll see downtown. We'll see some of the beautiful shops to go shopping. Camden is an arts community. Lots of art here. Of course, great seafood. What do you say about seafood in Maine, right? All right. Let's work our way this way. All right. If we're looking up this way, that's up towards Camden Hills. Let's see downtown a little bit. It's a little foggy, but it's very nice. Get a psychic carrot here. Ooh, carrot. The smiling cow. I like to see a smiling cow. I didn't know cow had teeth. They have teeth? They probably do. They have to have teeth. They eat the grass. All right. Main sport. And this is a famous spot. We're going here for lunch later, the Camden Deli. There's some good stuff here. The Mariners restaurant, very good for breakfast. The line was pretty high before. So it's down the street. It's a walking tour of Camden, Maine. Once a tree. It was a tree. We are the pine tree state. Yeah, the Planet Store. That's a big store here in downtown Camden. It's not a very big town, it's small. That's why our walking tour probably will be a couple more minutes, a minute or so. Now looking back here. And that mountain you see up there, that is Mount Batty. And we were up there yesterday. Good thing we went yesterday because it's a little foggy today, so we might not have seen too much up there. And of course, you know Maine's going for their beer. Sea Dog Brewery Company. And that's looking uptown there. Now, if we go down here, this is actually towards where we had dinner last night. There's a little harbor view down there. I'll tell you one thing, you gotta come, a lot of beautiful towns up here in New England, all the way from Mystic up here towards Camden and Bar Harbor. We did a tour of Newburyport. Hopefully you checked out our video a couple weeks ago. This is just looking down the street here. This is Bayview Ave. And I just want to go down here and then we'll close up the video very soon. Alright, so almost there. I just want to go back towards the harbor. We'll be on the other side of where we started our video. Cuzzies, another place to get beer. And we're gonna go Bayview Landing. And it's Saturday morning right now. Last night, this place was pretty busy for Friday night here in Camden. Garden, Grand Harbor Inn. Japanese food. And we'll close out the video here in the harbor. I hope you enjoyed a little walking tour of Camden, Maine. And the fog rolls in here in Camden. Looking at the harbor. Here we go. We were on the other side there, that part. All right. And that's the park we were in a few minutes ago. And we'll close it out. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And we'll do some others as we go along in our travels. AIMC on the scene, the social connector.